Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Zevo Flying Insect Trap. So the reason I wanted this was because we have a lot of plants in our house, and now that the weather's kind of getting warmer, there's a lot of fruit flies that are starting to spawn from the plants, I presume. So this is the reason why we got it, and so this was recommended to us by a friend, and she says it's absolutely great. It's a nicely dimmed blue UV light that attracts bugs, and when the bugs get attracted, it basically has a curved catch shield that keeps the bugs trapped and out of sight. So unlike other bug trappers where you can actually see the bugs and it's kind of like displeasing to the eyes, this actually covers it so that the bugs, you don't see them when they actually get caught. And with that, it's got a nice trap and lock technology in which it catches the bugs and it keeps them there. And so really excited to use it. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. We plan on having one within our kitchen area. And during nighttime when the light's on, hopefully that's when the bugs will be attracted and then get caught into this. So I got this with a bundle deal as far as getting the actual trap itself and getting 2 free refills. So definitely check it out. Yeah,